Okay, number 15. Looking at this one, we've got to find BC, but BC is this segment, so that's the same thing as A. So I could have just written it, BC is the same thing as finding A, little a. Anyways, this is angle, the side in between another angle. So angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle is not side, 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 and it's not side, angle, side. Those are the two that you use law of cosine, so I'm going to use the law of sines. So A over the sine of A equals little b over the sine of big B equals little c over the sine of big C. Okay, let's set up what we got. We got to find little a. Little a, so why don't I just write this what I have? I have angle A, so that's the sine. Angle A is 100 degrees equals little b. Little b is 23. Little b is 23. Oh, let me write 23. 23 over the sine of angle B. Well, hey, I've got two angles, so I know how to find the third angle. 141. 100 plus 41 is 141. 180 minus 141 is 39 degrees. So this angle B is 39 degrees. Now, I don't even need to go any further because I've got all that I need to find out what A is. I don't even need to do this. Okay, so when I have this, just set up the cross products. So A times sine of 39, A times the sine of 39 degrees. This was sine. Write that a little clearer. Equals the other cross product, sine of 100. Sine of 100 degrees times 23. Don't want this sine of 39 over here. I want to get rid of it, so I divide this side by the sine of 39 degrees. Divide this side by the sine of 39 degrees. Sine of 39 cancels with the sine of 39. A is equal to the sine of 100 times 23 divided by the sine of 39. So let's clear out the last problem that we had in there. Move this over here. I got to do this a little bit differently on this calculator, so I hit 100 sine times 23 divided by 39 sine equals 35.99. Round to the nearest tenth is going to be, A is going to be 36.0, just 36. This one, finding AC, once again, AC is this side, so that's little b. So this is the same thing as little b. This guy, I could have crossed it out and just put little b. Okay, this is angle side. So angle side, I use law of sines. I have the law of sines written over here, so I can just use that as a template. Do I know little a? Little a is 11. So I'm going to put 11 over sine of 20 degrees equals b over sine of b. B, I don't know b, but I know angle b is the sine. Angle b is 34 degrees. If you were given angle C, then you can take two angles and add them together and find out what this is by subtracting it from 100, but we don't need to do that because we already have that. So I just set up my cross product, and 11 times sine of 34, 11 times the sine of 34 degrees equals sine of 20 degrees times b. But we don't want this there. We want to get rid of it. We want to get b all by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by the sine of 20 degrees. That wipes out that. B is equal to 11 times sine 34 divided by the sine of 20. Here we go. Clear out my last problem. Take 11 times 34 sine divided by 20 sine equals 17.98, rounded up to the next tenth is going to be 18.0, so B is equal to 18.0.